Shabbat shalom, you lox-loving shithead. I've been craving New York bagels since I've landed in LA, and all I've seen is tacos. I've gotten so desperate, I've looked at flights to New Jersey. But we're not getting a spray tan this week, because today, I'm making breakfast bagel tacos. It's the great bagel debate. Who's got the best bagels? New York. That's it. Oh, what about Montreal? Montreal? It's a gaping hole. It's the whore of bagels. Don't forget about New Jersey, because we put pork roll on a bagel. Most of you are dead by 60. You know, the owner of this restaurant, his son's father's daughter's wife, she's from New York. So that means it's good. Never means it's good. Save me. All this debating makes me feel like I'm in a Seinfeld episode. I can't do it, Jerry! George! 1 minute she wants a bagel, the next moment she wants a taco! It's driving me crazy! You can't come in here complaining about bagels and tacos. Nah, I don't know. What's the deal with bagels and tacos? Tacos and bagels. Bagel and taco. Bagel and taco. Bagel and taco. I used to date a 16-year-old! Let's make the tortillas. If it's a tortilla, how can it be a taco? Shut the f*** up. Any of you f***s come to me about lox and cream cheese. Let me tell you something. Jews are hard enough to speak to, coming from one Jew to another. You add lox into the mix, 10-yard penalty, send them back, don't want to speak to you. Ugh. It smells like something you can't afford. We're making guacamole cream cheese. Oh. Yeah. Eating the dough. But I don't need you. I don't need you. Oh, smack cam. I literally sweated into these. It's kind of like a bagel. Better than whatever the f you're making. Yeah, I'm not making them. Do you guys pay me yet? No. You get everything else homemade. Not this. Subscribe. Oh, did you think that I wasn't gonna wear a shirt during this? Excellent. I need writers. Make sure you follow, subscribe, tell your friends. I'm sure